Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with a ready device. Check iOS 15 or later and enough space. Once done, long press an empty area on the home screen until icons jiggle. This puts you in edit mode. Next, tap the plus at the top left to open the widget gallery. Scroll or search for focus to locate the widget options and pick a size that fits your layout. This determines how much information and which shortcuts the widget can show. After adding the widget to your screen, you'll customize it so it's useful. Long press the newly placed widget and choose Edit Widget. This reveals a selector for focus modes. You can assign a specific focus, such as work, sleep, or a custom mode you created. This decides which status and controls appear. Also set which home screen page this widget corresponds to, so activating the focus toggles that screen layout. Make sure the chosen mode has the right allowed notifications and automations. Finish by tapping Done to exit edit mode and test the widget. Activate the linked focus from Control Center or the widget itself to confirm it switches screens and rules. Once confirmed, consider automating it with a schedule or a shortcut so the widget reflects expected behavior. If the widget doesn't update or shows wrong mode, restart your iPhone first. If that fails, remove and re-add the widget, and verify your focus settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.